Hello, my name is Giselle Juez, and today I'm going to explain the supply chain management. The supply chain is made up of all those processes directly or indirectly involved in the action of satisfying supply needs. Okay, the supply chain is a process that is the following. The number one is raw materials, number two, production, number three, transport and logistics, number four, agency or subsidiaries, and number five, storage or warehouse, number six, sales, sales, number seven, billing, and finally the delivery. The supply chain in service is the part of the supply chain dedicated to providing service or products. It addresses supply of parts, materials, personnel, and service needed to provide timely and effective product service, such as repair and maintenance. Okay. Producer, customer, and seller. A producer is someone who creates and supplies goods or services. The customer is a person who, in exchange for a payment, receives services from someone who provides them for this reason. And the seller is a person who is entrusted with the sale of marketing of a company's products or services. Okay. The strategies. The strategies are two: the competitive strategy and corporative strategy. According to Porter, the competitive strategy are four: differentiation, cost leader, low cost of approach, and low cost differentiation. And the corporative strategy, this defines the following parameters: the mission of the company, the objectives of the company, the vision of the organization, the culture, and the values. Okay. The vertical and horizontal supply chain. The vertical supply chain occurs when the same company takes over activities that has traditionally delegated to their parts. A few actions for this is reduce production costs, negotiation power with clients, better control over process, and ability to set price. And the horizontal strategies is, and the horizontal integration is that occurs when a company acquires, measures, or creates another or other companies that carry out the same activity. A few activities for this is take advantage of brand position, access to new distribution channels, negotiation power with suppliers, improve your market position. Okay. And the stage of supply chain management evolution. That are three: supply, manufacturing, and distribution. The supply is how and where we obtain raw materials. Manufacturing convert the raw materials into finished products. And distribution, it transfers the final product to the shops, factories, and places of sale so that it can be purchased by the customer. Okay, this is all. My name is Giselle Juez. Bye bye.